Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Banu and if you are new, hi. And so आज का वीडियो होने वाला है इस मेकअप लुक पे जो है एवरीडे नेचुरल मेकअप लुक. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm going to secure my hair back by using the headband. Next, I'm using rose water as toner and applying it all over my face. So next I'm using Biotique lip balm, Bioberry plumping lip balm, and to moisturize my lips. So then I'm going to use Garnier wrinkle lift cream. It's a night cream actually, and I will apply it all over my face. And today I'm not going to use any foundation because it's a natural everyday makeup look. You don't have to apply foundation every day, and so yeah, I'm not going to use any foundation today. Then I'm going to use eye cream to moisturize my under eyes because I have dark circles, so it is really necessary to moisturize my under eyes. So I'm using Biotique eye cream. I will give you all the details of products which I'm using in the description box, so you can check that out. So I do have dark circles, so this is a step. If you don't have any dark circles, you don't have to use any concealer, but I have dark circles, really dark circles, so I'm using the concealer to even out my skin. So I'm using Darling Isabella concealer. So I'm blending it out with the sponge. Blending it out with the sponge. So as I said, I'm not going to use any foundation today. I will set all the concealer and all over my face by using a loose powder. I'm doing it in slowly because I want to make sure I'm giving the clear idea of how to do everyday natural makeup look. It takes just 10 minutes in person. Moving on to eyes, I'm just using this earth color shade, that is a light coralish brown or orangish brown color shade, and applying it on my lids. Only just one color. And so yeah, that's it. I'm not going to use any dark colors, light colors, that's all. I'm just using only that orangish brown color from Makeup Revolution palette, and I will apply it on both sides of my eyes. Then I will take the same eyeshadow, that color, and I'm just applying in the lower lash line at the outer edges or outer corners of lower lash line by using a small brush. Brows, I'm going to use Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 04 dark light brown. I'm going to fill them in. So it's time for eyelashes. So first I'm going to curl my lashes by using Vega eyelash curler. So I'm using Maybelline ka Hyper Curl mascara to curl my lashes. So just mascara. Look at that, guys. Even you use mascara, it will complete your eyes and you look beautiful. So for low waterline, I'm using Wet n Wild nude color eye pencil. Nude color kajal to line my lower waterline. So it's time for blush. For blush, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven ka blush, which is a peachy shade, which will give you a slight subtle glow, which will really enhance your look immediately. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick, but before that I'm going to use the tissue paper to remove the excess moisturizer. I'm not going to wipe it off the moisturizer, just I'm going to take the excess off, and then I'm using the lipstick. I'm using a brown color lipstick. It's a wearable, so every day you can wear the pinks and reds and purples. So yeah, brown goes for every day. Nude colors will go for every day. And I'm going to line my lips, and if you don't want to, just skip the step and just be with it. And so yeah, that completes the look. So that's it, guys. This is my final look. You can wear it for whenever you go out or for.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful, and let me know your opinions in the comment section down below, and also let me know what the other videos you would like to see in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching. So let's meet in my next videos. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.